Hey, thanks for hitting the play button. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and talk to you a little bit about Michael's journey, where we started and where he is now. Started about a year ago. He contacted me through another client of mine and through Facebook, and his sales at the time were about $250,000 for the year. He had done better, but then had taken a little bit of a backslide, and he was really rethinking what he wanted to do with his business. He, like most shop owners, they're really, really good technicians that come from that side of the business. And he was telling me, Chris, that, when I look at the bottom and how hard I work, I could work for somebody else and turn 60 hours a week and make more money than what I'm making now. But he goes, I'm all in on the process. I want to make this work. You just tell me what to do, and we'll work together and make it happen. So here we are now, a year later. We worked through the process and the procedures. Now we have an 8-bay shop. He's going to bust $1 million out for this year, start to finish. The capacity on that shop is going to be right around $5 million a year, working 5 days a week. And what we did starting out is, first of all, we had to check the labor rates and the parts margins and make sure that everything was in order and correct. Once we get that done, we work on some employee processes and procedures, make sure we have a good digital vehicle inspection in place, make sure we have a good point of sale in place, get a little money in the account, start feeling some success. At that point, we ramp up the advertising a little bit, get more customers in, and see what we can really do with that facility. In his case, we found that he was in an industrial area, 2 bays, 3 bays if you count like the outside area that we were using. And in a couple of months, we really outgrew the space. I will say we did get kind of lucky with some stuff that's going on in the world today. People opening up that really weren't ready, and they closed down, and we kind of lucked into a really good facility and a really great location to move to. And from the time we found that location to the time we opened was like less than 34 days. But he's doing great things with that right now. Like I said, we'll go over $1 million with his shop this year, probably hit $1.8 million to $2 million next year, and then the sky's the limit. We're adding technicians. We got a new guy starting this Monday. Things are really pretty good and getting better. And two, I have to remember, I always want the shop to be at max capacity. So if I could blink, I'd want it at $5 million today. But I also have to take in mind what the owner wants a lot. And so the owner wants to build this gradually, build the processes and procedures. He only wants one location, and that's fine with me if that's fine with him. And we're off and running. So, guys, don't let your pride take hold of what you do. If you want to look into this some more, at the end of this, hit the button, schedule a call with me. Let's talk about what can be done. I have a great stable of coaches. If you have multi-locations, I got a guy that can do multi-locations. If you just want one location, that's fine too. Me and all my coaches are ready, willing, and able to help. All you have to do is ask. All you have to do is schedule the call. And you can be like Michael in your auto shop if you want to be. If that's where you want to be, that's what you want to grow to. The sky's the limit. Don't let pride, don't overthink things. Get with somebody that can help you move through the process and procedures and move forward. You guys have a great day. Thanks again for hitting my button. I look forward to speaking to you soon.